Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine and obeying the rules for the prevention of coronavirus. This will save your life. Dear students, do you know from where we get the food that we eat? Okay, I will tell you about it in this unit. Our unit number 2 is the farm. This unit is at page number 44 of your Nature Sciences book. Now open the page number 44 of your Nature Sciences book. Good. Let's start reading. Unit number 2, the farm. An area of land and its buildings used for growing crops and rearing animals is called the farm. The people who own and work in the farms are called farmers. The farmers get vegetables from the fields, milk from buffaloes, fruits from the trees, and meat from the cows and goats. Now class, hope you know that the food we eat comes from the farm. Now open page number 45 of your Nature Sciences book. Our next topic is cultivation of crops. It means that how the farmer plant the seeds. It has 4 main steps. The farmers plant the seeds. They water the small plants. The sun shines on the plants. They get lovely crops. Now it's time to give the home task. Open page number 45 of your book. Question is that label the parts of the plant and color it. Petal, leaf, flower, stem, root. Now open page number 46 of your book. Question number 1 is number the sentences, write them in order. Number 1 is the farmers plant the seeds. Number 2 is they water the small plants. Number 3 is the sun shines on the plants. And number 4 is they get lovely crops. Question 2 is what does a farmer do? Its answer is a farmer grows crops for us. Question 3 is list some products which we get from the farms. We get vegetables, fruits, milk, eggs, and meat from the farms. Now class, write this work on your book. Thank you so much.